Hello friends, so today I am going to write program for finding factorial of given number. So suppose we have given number is 5 and we have to find the right program for finding factorial of this number. So first discuss about what is factorial. So in simple we can say that factorial is the multiplication of 1 to n, right? So suppose n equals we have 5, so we will add multiplication of 1 to 5. It means that we will add multiplication of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 and into 5, and we will add that all this multiplication, then that number we will generate it. We can say that this is the factorial of 5. So suppose we have 5 as example, and if we will find factorial of this 5, so suppose we will that suppose we have this 5 as number and we have to find factorial. So we will do that, start from 1 and we will multiply this all to n. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, and sum of all these will be the factorial of this 5. So suppose what it will be produce, that it will the 2 into 1 2 into 3 6 into 4 20 and 20 into 5, it will be 120. So factorial of 5 will be 120. So we have given this 5 and we have to print that 120. So if you will see logic behind this, we can use loop for this, generating this 1 2 3 4 5, and we will create one variable. Suppose we will create variable as fact, and we will in fact we will put 1 because we are going to multiply, right? And we will take each and every digit of each and every number from here, and we will put multiplication inside this fact variable. So here using loop we will get that 1 2 3 4 5, and we will take multiplication inside this fact variable. So let's solve this problem. So first, solving this problem, we need one variable so that that variable can store values of that factorial. So we will create one variable int fact is equals 1, because in this fact variable we have put inside this fact 1, because we are going to multiply this number, and if we will put 0, so we will get a incorrect result, because when we will multiply any number with 0, it will produce 0, so that will be false. That's why we have used 1, so that we can multiply this 1 by any other number, so it will not affect, and it will put a value as that number which we are going to multiply. So here we have put fact as 1, and we will start loop from 1 to n. So int I equals 1, and we will check this I till num. So and we have num as 5, so we will put equals num and I plus plus. Inside this loop we will use that fact is equals fact into I, because this I is going to give us that all number. According to you can see that this I is going to give us 1 2 3 4 5, and we are going to multiply these all numbers and putting inside this fact variable. That's why we have used here fact into fact plus this one. So fact into I. So when this loop will end, in this fact variable we will get factorial of this m. So after this loop we will print that factorial. So say out factorial of which number? So factorial of n num, right? Factorial of num is, we will print the value, so its value will be fact. So here when we will run this program, it will print message as factorial of num, and value of num is 5, so it will print value factorial of 5 is fact, and value of fact will be 120. So let's run this program. On a screen you can see that they have mentioned, right, they have display factorial of 5 is 120. So let's change the value of 5 to 6, and it will write print factorial of 6. So let's see what is the factorial of 6. So you can see that factorial of 6 is 720. So in using this way you can find factorial of any given number. You can write this program in different way also. For solving this problem you can use recursion method also. So we will come with new videos. Thank you so much.